In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free Base44 credits in the simplest way possible. If you're just getting started with Base44, this is great news because the platform offers a generous free tier that can help you test prompts, build projects, and explore integrations without paying right away. So if you want to make the most of your free allowance, stay tuned. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and sign into your Base44 account. Once you're logged in, Base44 automatically gives eligible users access to its free tier. This free tier includes 25 message credits per month, along with a 5 credit daily limit, which is perfect if you want to use the platform consistently without burning through your credits too fast. On top of that, you also get 100 integration credits per month, which gives you extra room to connect tools and test workflows. If you're only using Base44 for light tasks, experimentation, or early stage development, this free allocation can go a long way. The key thing to remember is that there's nothing complicated you need to do after signing in. The free credits are part of the account access, so once you're logged in, you can immediately start using the monthly message credits and integration credits that Base44 provides. Just keep an eye on your daily usage so you don't hit the 5 credit limit too quickly. And if you're planning larger tasks, it's smart to spread them across the month so you can use your credits more efficiently. That's really all there is to it. Sign in, access the free tier, and start using your 25 message credits and 100 integration credits each month. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.